The holidays hit us small business owners different. Instead of gift shopping at the mall, sipping a hot cup of cocoa, and roasting chestnuts on an open sleigh, or whatever, we're over here grinding out the 20th order that needs to be personalized while getting emails in all caps from people wondering why their package is late during the busiest shipping time of the year. And by the time the big day even gets here, you're just ready for it to be over. But not this year. My small business and I have survived 10 holiday seasons, and the 11th one is just around the corner. If you want to maximize sales and efficiency while getting time to relax and maybe even go see that sugar plum thing your niece is in, then here are my 8 easy to manage steps for you and your handmade business to survive and thrive this holiday season. A quick heads up, these are designed to be tackled over the next few months, starting right now. And if we are going to double our profits, we need a game plan. So of course, I made you a checklist. Grab that down below and let's get to it. All right, step 1, and this is crucial. Review last year's data and set achievable goals. This can be as simple as a checklist outlining important things you'd like to accomplish. Go back to your sales reports on Etsy, Shopify, or wherever you sell. What were your best sellers? Which ones totally flopped? And what were your busiest days? Use all this info to set up achievable sales targets for this year. If this is your first year selling or you don't have any data to analyze, no worries. Any products that are selling well right now will be selling well later. Start taking notes for this year so next year floats better than butter on a hot skillet, baby. Having a clear goal and expectation for the season prevents overproduction of unpopular items, helps you focus your efforts, and gives you an achievable target to work towards. If that first one seemed like a lot, trust me, it really just gets easier from here on. Next up, we got product line optimization. Based on that previous data, identify your top 3 to 5 best sellers. How can we make them even more resistible for the holidays? Think about special holiday themed packaging, limited edition colors for designs you already have, or bundling things into gift sets. And which items aren't selling this time of year? There's only so much time in a day, so don't waste your own time and energy on summer-themed items or products that just don't sell this time of year. When you focus your production on your proven winners throughout the year, you reduce decision fatigue later, and it allows time for refining new ideas. Speaking of new ideas, if you are needing some new designs and are struggling with making them look good in a reasonable amount of time, that's where the sponsor of this video comes in, and honestly, my newest obsession. You've heard me talk about them before, and that is Kittl.com. I want to show you how I've been making designs that are super professional and look so freaking good they sell out on launch day. And Kittl just rolled out a new feature called Flows, and dude, you're gonna freaking love this. To start, I suggest picking a Flows template to get your feet wet. This shirt maker is my favorite one so far, even though I don't plan on making any shirts with this, but we'll get to that in a second. See this input board? Let's change it up a bit. I'm going to delete the strawberry and change the text to say Santa Claus is coming to town. Okay, I nudged this the best I can into place. Now, this one is an okay design on its own. Not bad, not really something to write Santa about. So here's where the Flows comes in and why these templates really help. Click on the Flows smartboard next to it. There's an input box that already has a prompt in there. I'm going to keep the input text the same, but this is a place where you can include specific things you'd like to see, like font types, colors, or styles of design. Look at this. Okay, let's click on Convert to Image. Remove the background and vectorize it. I can make everything black now so I can more easily laser engrave it onto a tumbler or something. Why stop there? Now we have a design we like, we can go to the smartboard next door and make another one lickety-split. Let's see what happens when we change the theme to Thanksgiving. Amazing! And to make optimizing your product listings even easier, you can make awesome mock-up pictures too. I just prompted the image to look like it was a metallic engraving, and now it's perfect for a mock-up picture. I loaded it into the generator and Bam! You could show this image in a few styles and colors to your customers on social media or email them and see which one they like best before you even make anything, which leads us right into number 3. Step 3 is all about materials. So now is the time to source materials and order in bulk. Once you know what you're making, calculate exactly what you need to hit your goals. Then order it all in bulk. Seriously, do this as soon as you can. Supplier delays are real, and bulk ordering always saves you money. You'll be relieving yourself of mental space, avoiding last-minute panics, and securing better pricing before wholesalers try to gouge you for the holidays. It also ensures you have everything on hand when production ramps up and your phone starts sounding like this. All right, this is where the magic starts. Batch production and inventory buildup. Dedicate specific blocks of time, production days, to make your most popular items in batches. It takes a lot of mental energy to go from one task to another and then another and another. If you watched my I almost killed my laser business video, this was one of the biggest things holding me back. Now I dedicate entire days to just 1 or 2 tasks tops. That way I can actually finish something in a timelier manner because I'm focusing on just the one thing. Don't wait until November. Get started on bulking up your inventory and store it in an organized, dedicated spot, at least as organized as you can be. Future you will high-five you when all those orders start rolling in. Step 5, and my favorite number, should be an ongoing project ever since step 2, and that is photography and listing preparation. High quality photos are non-negotiable for online sales. If you already optimized your listings, now's the time to take festive shots of your holiday collection, especially any gift sets. Even if your items are not holiday themed, take pictures of them being gift wrapped or hanging out of a stocking. Mid-action shots, like someone handing over your product to a happy person, make buyers way more engaged than just a plain picture of the thing. Write killer product descriptions that evoke the holiday spirit. Let them know that giving your merchandise as a gift will make them the best dang gift giver this side of the North Pole. Save your listings as soon as you can so online marketplace AI can start analyzing it and then rank you. If you have a holiday collection to be released later, draft all your online listings so they're ready to publish with just one click when you're ready to launch. Number 6, and this is an important one I know a lot of you are curious about, it's time to make a marketing calendar. First step, plan your holiday promotions. Will you offer free shipping, perhaps a special discount code, or even a whole store-wide sale? I like to do this one, a free little gift with every purchase. When you're during the Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, Cyber Monday sales, I had a store-wide sale and a surprise $5 item that changed every day. Leading up to the sale, I would tease the details, and I ended up getting a lot of email signups before the sale even started, which is very cool. There are a lot of strategies to try with your customers. I'll definitely be making a deep dive video about marketing strategies, so please subscribe and keep your eyes peeled for that. See what I did there? Social media is a great free marketing resource. You should have taken a bunch of great pictures by now, so use them in your social media posts and email blasts. The best advice I have for marketing is when you find something that works and people respond well to it, repeat, repeat, repeat. Consistency is key, truly. Pick your favorite platform and aim to schedule at least like 3 posts per week. Most people won't get sick of you. Don't worry, the average person consumes at least 30 minutes of social media a day, and on a site like Instagram, that's approximately like 100 or so posts and reels. So they're getting plenty of in-between stimulus from your posts. And your business will only benefit from people consistently seeing your awesome wares throughout their days. It stays at the top of their mind. If you hate social media, then harness the power of your email list. That's actually all I really do. What's great about that is I can have all my discount codes and sales scheduled ahead of time, and then I can schedule matching emails promoting those sales. Same thing though, aim for like 3 emails in a 7-day period. First one, announcing a sale is coming. The second one, the sale has started. And the third email should be the last day of the sale for that final push. Step 7 is weirdly my favorite step, and that is making a shipping and packing station. I think it's my favorite because it's kind of like getting ready for a date. You know, you want to make a good impression. Stock up on all your boxes, your mailers, your tissue paper, labels, everything. And if you offer gift wrapping, have all those supplies ready too. And actually, that's a great way to make a couple extra bucks. For the holidays, I like to switch my cards to these gift tags. I get these printed at Vistaprint, but I'm sure there's a bunch of other places that have this style of card. This doubles as a business card and can be used as a gift tag, which I think is a fun little touch. Oh, and don't forget to look up carrier holiday shipping deadlines so you can communicate them clearly to your customers and you won't get as many angry emails. Just put that right there. All right. Finally, step 8, and this is a huge one for your sanity. Automate and delegate. What tasks can you automate? I'm thinking email marketing sequences and order delivery confirmations. And if your budget allows, seriously consider delegating. Can someone help you with your social media posts or even work a few hours of production? If you have kids, they can maybe help you with little monotonous things that just take up too much time, like perhaps they can help clean up or maybe even pack some orders if they're a little bit older. Hire someone on Fiverr to help you with product listings or even trade your wares with a local photographer to get professional photos done. Haggling and trading make for great business bargains, which is why Kittl can make such a great asset in the long run. Not only can you design things faster, but you can edit and create product photos that are out of this world. By the way, you can save 25% on all plans with my code LaserLadyYT, so be sure to check that out. Hey, and if you do delegate, take that newfound free time and actually use it for relaxation or socializing or whatever it is you'd like to do. Don't just fill it with more work. I personally am notorious for this, especially since so many of my listings have been getting old and neglected and are just struggling to sell right now. It can be a little overwhelming to constantly figure out what the algorithms want for things like product tags and descriptions. If you're struggling to sell your handmade products, watch this video next. I'm going to tell you where you're going wrong and how we can fix it together. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!